Welcome to Little Journeys. What we are seeing is the unique water feature available in Expo 2020. This volcano simulated structure has three openings that allows people entry and allows viewing from three vantage points. This is located between the Al Wasl Plaza and Jubilee Park in Dubai Expo. As the night sets in, the dreamlike water feature showcases another splendid appearance. The fire-spitting waterfall not only expresses the inherent power of water, but also showcases its essential charm and playfulness by dancing based on the music track and offering kids a place to play with water. At the center of the ring is a spiral sculpture that spews fire at night, producing enormous bursts of flames in red, green, and yellow hues. Overall, it's an amazing magical feeling when you are at the mid of this spectacular water feature in Expo 2020.